Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Before entering into the study of Bhagavad Gita in Advaita Sampradaya, we have the tradition of chanting the Dhyana Shlokas. We will do the chanting and also learn the meaning of the shloka. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandaddhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim. This shloka offers namaskaram to Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is personified as a mother. Our physical body is called Mamsa Shariram. A mother gives birth to this physical body and takes care of it. Bhagavad Gita is the mother who nourishes our subtle body called mind and intellect. Unlike the mother of our physical body, the mother of Gita always resides in us. He Amba Bhagavad Gita Tvam Anusandadhami. O Mother Bhagavad Gita, I meditate upon you. This means that while going through the experiences of life, I should contemplate on the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. Only if we apply the teachings of Gita in our daily life situations, we will realize the value of Gita. Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Parthaya Pratibodhitam Tvam Anusandadhami. The greatness of Gita is that Bhagavan Narayana himself came in the form of Sri Krishna and taught Arjuna. Purana Munina Vyasena Mahabharatam Madhye Grathitam Tvam Anusandadhami. Adi Shankaracharya tells that Bhagavan Sri Vedavyasa has conveyed the entire teaching of Bhagavan and has presented it in 700 verses as the Bhagavad Gita. Vyasa is a great rishi who has compiled all the 18 Puranas. There is nothing which Vyasa has not told. Advaita Amrita Varshinim Tvam Anusandadhami. If we study the Gita thoroughly, we will understand that duality is unreal. The happiness that is born out of knowledge of Gita is like Amrita Varsha. Bhagavatim Tvam Anusandadhami. Gita, the mother, has all these qualities. Bhagavan is the one who has Bhaga, the sixfold qualities in absolute measure. These are all knowledge, jnana, total dispassion, vairagya, the capacity to create, sustain and resolve, virya, absolute fame, yashas, all wealth, shrihi, and overlordship, aishwarya. Gita, the mother, has all these qualities. Ashtadashadhyayinim Tvam Anusandadhami. She has 18 chapters. Each and every chapter has a name. We will see that later. Bhavadveshinim Tvam Anusandadhami. She has the ability to destroy our sorrow and bondage. We offer our namaskarams to Mother Bhagavad Gita, taught by Bhagavan Sri Narayana to Arjuna. All this is presented by Vedavyasa in the middle of Mahabharata. Mother Bhagavad Gita bestows Advaita Jnana Amrita. She is Bhagavati who destroys our bondage. My prayerful blessings for all of you. Hari Om. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandaddhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om